Good morning. Today is Saturday this morning and we are at the Cherry Beach in Toronto. Here you have the opportunity to see where you can come during the summertime and have more peaceful swimming and enjoyment at this lake due to the fact that other places is more entertainment and it could be a little bit disturbing. Now we are passing on to the safeguards and you have the ability to see all the lake there. It's pretty much peaceful here in comparison to the other places. Here are mostly the families that they come here and they peacefully eat something or they have a good time. Sometimes they play volleyball, most of the time not, but they have a conversation with other people and they gather together. Now I will show you all the way down where you can swim in addition to, and then you can see the big parking for the cars. At this place, Cherry Beach, you will have, in addition to the bus station here, that you can go home, and toilets and everything is available here.